Right, here we are up at the out apiary. Just done a bit of a manipulation on that, sort the floor out. Yeah, reasonably easy to do. Sort the floor out, upset a lot of bees. What can you do? Sometimes this has to be done, doesn't it? But yeah, that's all the grot that I got out of it. Got to remember to take that with me. But yeah, bless them. Hopefully they'll go up into that super now. I'll swap the boxes around too. I'll just put the strap back on there and then we'll get on with another one. Hopefully that won't take 40 minutes. Bees still pretty upset with me. They'll be alright. Oh. There we go. Nice and tight. So we've done them two. So we just rock through these two now, keeping this wax together. Right, done them two. Let's get on this one. Hey, how is everyone today? I'm a bit quiet. This took me ages. Absolutely ages. These girls doing alright. Drawing out the super for me. Not a lot going on in there. Let's pull that. Cool. Definitely not a lot going on in there. I'll pop that on the roof. Wow. Definitely not a lot going on in here. I think I said that last time, didn't I? We'll see anyway. Looks like it's just full of food. Maybe I'll just swap the boxes on this straight away. Yeah, I remember this one. Remember the crazy comb. It's just one heavy frame, that. No queen on there, is there? No. Just all food. Foody food. That'll be alright, just gently rest that up there. Give me something to kick in a bit. Right, not a great deal going on here. This looks like food. But we'll have a look, maybe they've got going. It's just food again. Food, food and food. Looking queenless. Oh, we've got eggs. We're just full of eggs there. That's fine. Queenless. You see those? Full of eggs. They're just getting going. Pretty good. Maybe another week for this population to explode. Pretty good. Pretty good, no disease, that's good. Like I said, I think that these girls are just starting to get going. They're a little bit late. There's a brood there, nice patch of brood there. Nice pattern. Same on the other side. Pretty good. Bee right near my ear hole trying to sting me. Might give these girls the old switch as well. Pretty good. It's just all full of brood, that's all lovely, lovely. These girls are a little bit fruity. Beautiful. Bit of ball brood there. Maybe the varroa count's a little bit high. It's all just full of food. Keeping that over the hive in case the queen drops off. It's beautiful, nice frame, a bit honey bound. So I'm just gonna pull a few of this bit of this brace comb off. I want to reverse these boxes. Can't have anything on the bottom there. There's a big hole there by the looks of things. I can see right in the hive. Maybe that's what they were all sniffing round. There's a big hole in this box, maybe. These girls are doing alright. Just starting to get going, isn't she? Just fine. It's all good. There's the queen there. Of course, she's quick. Keep her over the hive. Right, so she's there. Wow. A little bit fruity. I think it's going to rain. I think that's why they're not impressed. And I'll try and get rid of that hole in the front there. Like I said, if I drop this box down, it's all good. I just need to take that brood off the bottom there. That's fine. I'll give that a little shake. We'll just take that brood off the bottom. as nice as I wanted it to be, but that'll be alright. It's all hatching brood there. It's pretty good. It's been really gentle. Next frame over had that queen on, so we just got to be careful of that. And then we just got a food frame here right on the end, same as we have on the other end. Right, so let's push these across and we'll just see what they're doing in this bottom box. And I'll probably just swap these boxes around, I think. Pushing that nice and gently. And we'll just get these this food frame back in. Like I said, these are a lot more fruity than my girls at home, taking stings to the fingers. Yeah, there seemed to be like a gap at the front there, so I'm going to pull that box off. Let's get this out of the way. Don't look. Any bee lovers, don't look. Don't look. I think it's actually going to rain, so we may only get another one done. I mean, this one's alright, I think, but yeah, we'll swap these boxes around, I think. We'll see how we get on. Don't want to bang it down anywhere. Just put it there, and then we can put the other box on the right. Let's get this off. Gently, gently. So I think we'll do the swap now. Swap the boxes now, and then I'll be able to go through this top box. It's a great idea. Let's do that. Let's put that to the front. Look at them all at the front. There we go, that's that box off. Very unused. We'll just give that a clean off. Bit of a spring clean. I know. So these bees don't know what's going on now. Pretty good. I love spring. We just square this box up. You probably can't see what I'm doing, but there we go. And then hopefully that split will be a little bit less noticeable. It was down the front here. There's a dirty poos on the front. That's alright. let me get this back on top. There we go. Pretty square, pretty good. Lots of angry bees. What can you do? Get rid of this brace comb. And then because I've reversed it with the brood on, I'm just going to push this in a little bit. There we go. Job's a good one. Now they've got a bit of room. Definitely get rid of that. They're fine. They don't need that. Put the super on. Lid. There we go, and then we've got to go through this fruity one here. They're doing all right. Happy, happy, happy. I'll pop that in a bag anyway. What's that leaf in there? Let's get rid of that leaf. Oh, there we go. You'll be alright, girls. You'll get used to it. These are alright as well, aren't they? Maybe I'll pull that entrance block out. Be alright. There we go. Let's move that over a little bit. Stings all over my hands now. Well, anyway, so that was that one done anyway. Thanks everybody for watching, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.